walking up after the storm and I just saw this. There's a little birdie in our window. Hi, buddy. Are you okay? Oh, I don't know if he's okay. I don't know what to do with you. Until we have power, because they have lights on, so we'll have to go inside and get ours turned on. Hey, Bernie. He probably didn't have a very good time in the storm. I really hope he's okay. He didn't even move when I opened up the door, and I thought that would probably scare him. Just sitting there. Hopefully he's okay. Let there be light, please. I just went to go grab some McDonald's and our bird friend is gone, so that means he must be okay, right? That's what I'm gonna choose to believe. I'm gonna choose to believe that my bird friend is okay and we hear him tweeting over here. He's fine, right?